People say the law of attraction means your thoughts create reality, and there is truth to that. What you focus on influences your choices. Your choices influence your actions, and your actions influence the direction of your life. But that is only part of the picture. The law of attraction is incomplete because it treats human beings as isolated transmitters. Imagine you're trying to watch channel 10 on a television. The law of attraction says just focus on channel 10. But what if someone else in the house is holding another remote? What if something keeps changing the channel? What if the signal itself is being affected? Suddenly, the problem isn't channel 10. The problem is you're not the only thing affecting the picture. The law of attraction focuses on the signal you send. But what if the signal is being influenced before it ever leaves? What if multiple forces are shaping the picture at the same time? That's the missing piece. Many people spend their lives trying to change the picture on the screen, but few ever stop to examine the signal behind it. And if you don't understand the signal, you'll keep treating symptoms, but missing the source. That's where our journey begins.